we were on Channel 7 Plate of Origin. It's a brainchild to Master Chef. Such a talent under the one roof. So I was very humble, very grateful till the day now, being an Indian, representing that. I love cooking. मैं इंडियन हूँ और हमेशा खाना करते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, लोगों को खाना भी खिलाते हैं. आपको पता है ना इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स में ये क्या खा रहे हो, छोले भटूरे क्या? After 2 hours, we were told to take a stand on. Luckily, I think what made me through the thing was I was probably only had one person who eliminated me.
Wow.
I was like, am I going for Big Brother
Right.
or what? You know, I was like, मेरे दिमाग में ये सब चल रहा था और ये था.
But I just came to know that particular show changed positive thing in your life. It added value to your personal life.
आप पूरी रिसर्च की हुई है. तो it was very gruesome क्योंकि हमारे इंडिया में हम लोग बाइस तो बनाते नहीं हैं.
समोसे खाने वाले लोग.
समोसे खाने वाले लोग हैं. तो मेरा यही था कि let me just come up with something which is samosa and in a pie.
Oh wow.
जी हाँ. Yeah, I'm a big Shah Rukh Khan fan. I love him and I met him. I was like, oh my god.
You met him in IFL.
Yes, I think it's an act of balancing, really. You know, passion है.
Do you
तो वो
wake up
passion.
early, sleep late at night? How do you do that? Or do you have 27
Oh
hours in
my
your
God.
watch?
नहीं, I don't have
400
to know.
days on your calendars.
Theater artists के लिए मेरे को बहुत
Basic.
ज़्यादा I respect them more now. इतना टाइम जाता है, इतना कुछ जाता है. There are no takes, there is no cut-offs, and it's just you in that moment.
Right. कैसे ये project landed into?
ऐसे ही लैंड नहीं हुआ गौतम.
रेडियो हाँ जी 1674 AM पे मैं गौतम कपिल और मेरे साथ आज सिडनी की एक मशहूर शख्सियत जिनको आपने अलग अलग टीवी सीरियल्स में अलग अलग मूवीज में देखा होगा, सिमरन गिलाटी. पर्सनालिटी विद नो इंट्रोडक्शन. सिमरन, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. Thank you, Gautam. It's lovely to be at Radio Hanji. Thank you for having me.
थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग फर्स्ट टाइम रेडियो हाँ जी.
First time, I know. I was like, कहाँ हो? How did I not hear this before? But now I know and I know where to come.
Yeah, now you know how to hear it in your cars.
बिल्कुल, Hanji. 1674 AM.
Right. So you excited for your upcoming project, which is a Bollywood English Australian movie?
Yes, बिल्कुल. Hindi.
Hindi.
It's coming out Australia-wide on the 27th of February. और I am super excited because I have a reason why I'm super excited. Yes, it's my Bollywood debut, which is great.
Right.
And we will talk about, people that I am in the movie with. But मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा exciting part about being part of this movie is I'm an Indian, born in India,
Got
but raised in Australia.
Right.
And जो लोग, have migrated here back in 1990s and, even earlier. It makes me feel proud being a first generation to actually be the Indian Australian in the film
Right.
and connect to it.
So the film has lot of things that are connecting with you,
Yeah.
with your real life. पहले आपके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे सिमरन. So you mentioned that you came to Australia in early 90s. I assume, I don't want to ask your age, but I assume it was early teenage or kind. But वो कैसे हुआ कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया आना, कैसे फैमिली के साथ?
Gautam, I think every Indian came to Australia kind of a story, we were looking for a better livelihood, lifestyle. So mom and dad decided to migrate to Australia. I
Right.
think they didn't look much because dad's been to Australia many times and he
Oh.
fell in love
Before he permanently
before he
came.
came. So we migrated here in 1991.
Right.
And I think he came just, a few years before that to make sure everything is, settled. And after a few years, they made a decision that we're going to migrate to Australia.
Okay.
So I think मैं 11 साल की थी जब मैं यहाँ आई हूँ और तब से दिल तो इंडियन है लेकिन घर ऑस्ट्रेलिया है.
Do you still remember or vague memories? कैसे?
No, I remember India so well.
Okay.
Very much Indian by
कहाँ
heart.
रहते थे आप?
I'm from Narayana Vihar, which is south kind of little
South
bit,
Delhi
yeah.
girl, huh? Hashtag
South Delhi
girls.
What is with the hashtag South Delhi? Like all I know is कि I'm a Delhi by heart and always will be.
नहीं ठीक है. पर ये इस वजह से भी मैं पूछ रहा था कि योर हिंदी इज रियली गुड क्योंकि आपकी स्कूलिंग सारी यहाँ पर हुई एंड यू rather jumping into the Australian industry, Australian movie industry, you're trying your hand in the Hindi film industry. Although मैं ये मेंशन ज़रूर करना चाहूँगा कि जिन्होंने सिमरन का पहले काम देखा हुआ है उनको तो पता है, जिन्होंने नहीं देखा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बाय फार अब तक की बेस्ट सीरीज रही है टीवी के ऊपर कुकिंग शोज,
Yes.
और एंड यू हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ वन ऑफ देम.
Yes.
उसके बारे में बताएंगे कुछ?
I'm very grateful and very honored to be represented on a Australian cinema as, Indian.
Hmm.
And that was in back in 2021 when we did when COVID was happening. We were on Channel 7 Plate of Origin.
Right.
It's a brainchild to MasterChef, and having all the amazing judges on it, Matt, Manu, Gary, such a talent under the one roof.
Right.
So I was very humble, very grateful till the day now to have the, being an Indian representing that.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जितने भी लोग टेलीविज़न देखते हैं उनका एक ड्रीम ये भी होता है कि किसी ना किसी मास्टर शेफ पे कभी ना कभी चले जाएं. व्हाट वाज योर इंस्पिरेशन टू रीच आउट और फिर
Yeah, Gautam, actually, बहुत it was something that happened without even me wanting to,
Really?
क्योंकि मैं एक्टर हूँ एंड मैं ऑडिशंस कर रही थी एंड जो लोग मेरा काम देख चुके हैं और जानते हैं उनको ये पता था कि इट्स आई लव कुकिंग. मैं इंडियन हूँ और हमेशा खाना करते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, लोगों को खाना भी खिलाते हैं. आपको पता है ना, इंडियन और
Right.
ऑस्ट्रेलियंस में ये क्या खा रहे हो, छोले भटूरे क्या?
सारा दिन हमारा खाने के डिस्कशन
खाने
के
का
ऊपर
डिस्कशन होता है. सो उनको ये पता था कि मैं आई एम अ बिग टाइम इंडियन चटोरी, साउथ इंडियन, गर्ल, लाइक
Right.
साउथ दिल्ली गर्ल.
South Delhi.
And I was like, they just knew that I love cooking and they've tasted my food. And so that was a completely different thing toward my industry and, people I knew at that time. But this came out of nowhere, where I was asked to audition. Did not knew what I was auditioning for. And it was just an out Channel 7 casting. Auditions were happening. And I said, okay. And, it was gruesome audition. Should we talk about how?
Please.
Okay. So in the audition, we had, I think, 20, 30 odd of us. People we didn't knew each other.
Indian
Like
origin?
us. From
From
Australian.
different-
I think I was the only Indian, if I
Right.
remember it correctly.
Right.
And there was like other 20 odd, people who were there
Right.
auditioning as
Auditioning.
well. So we were on a round table and we had 2 hours to mingle, get to
Right.
know each other,
Right.
know each other and, and that's it. So
Right.
I had cameras everywhere going around, audition is happening, people are getting to know each other like we are talking, just being ourselves. And after 2 hours, we were told to take a stand on, like,
Straight
जैसे
away?
हम बैठे हैं आज,
Okay.
अभी बैठे हैं. So, and we had to ask ki, tell something about whoever you know, and when
Okay.
you say all good stuff, right?
Okay.
तो वो सबने किया, हो गया. उसके बाद हमें जो है eliminate करना था लोगों को एक बाय एक.
सिर्फ एक इंटरेक्शन के बाद.
एक इंटरेक्शन के बाद और खाली 2 घंटे के टाइम पे.
Right.
सो 2 घंटे में आप किसी को जान नहीं सकते
Of
हो,
course.
पहचान नहीं सकते
Of
हो.
course.
जो आप देख रहे हो वो फेक भी हो सकता है
Right.
और कहीं तक तो लोग इतना
Misjudge
रियलिटी शेयर भी
हम्म.
नहीं करते हैं.
हम्म.
So एक एक करके people had to nominate everyone and luckily I think what made me through the thing was I was probably only had one person who eliminated me.
Wow.
So I was like, am I going for Big Brother or
Right.
what? I was like, मेरे दिमाग में ये सब चल रहा था और ये था. तो उन्होंने तो like आपने मुझे आज बोला कि मैं आपको एलिमिनेट कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
So आप मुझसे पूछोगे कि क्यों, क्या
Okay.
रीजन है मेरा
Okay.
एलिमिनेट करने का.
Reason it.
तो मैंने उससे मुझे बोला I don't know you very well, so I'm eliminating you. तो मैंने कहा as being a Indian, just me being me, I was like, लेकिन आप मुझे जानते नहीं हो, so what is the point of you eliminating me like that?
Yeah.
So it was really funny, but
Right.
that's the process. That
Right.
was, I think, part of the audition, and then everything is, taken from there onwards. So,
From there on,
like how you are on
Simran
camera
Gulati became a household name, and the
Household
rest is
name,
history.
yes.
But I just came to know that particular show changed a positive thing in your life. It added a value to your personal life. उसके बारे में बताएंगे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का वो कैसे
आपने
स्टार्ट
पूरी
हुआ?
रिसर्च की हुई है जी हाँ आफ्टर जब शो के बाद हमने एक सेगमेंट था शो में विच वाज अबाउट कमिंग अप विद समथिंग जो ऑस्ट्रेलियन और आपकी हेरिटेज से काफ़ी मिक्स्ड हो सो वो था एक पाई चैलेंज जिसमें हमने पाई बनानी थी और उसमें आपको अपना हेरिटेज भी होना चाहिए
राइट
क्योंकि पाई इज़ अ ऑस्ट्रेलियन आइकॉनिक
Of course.
डिश एंड so we had great competition ahead of us. We had France, we had Australia, we had Vietnam, and yeah, so few people. तो it was very gruesome क्योंकि हमारे इंडिया में हम लोग पायस तो बनाते नहीं हैं
समोसे खाने वाले लोग
समोसे खाने वाले लोग हैं तो मेरा यही था कि let me just come up with something which is samosa and in a pie.
Oh wow.
जी हाँ तो और वो काफ़ी it could have gone both ways क्योंकि सारे लोग चिकन कर रहे थे नॉन वेजिटेरियन कर रहे थे बीफ कर रहे थे नथिंग can beat a vegetarian, right?
Right.
So we were the only one with a vegetarian, and everybody was with beef and thing. So yeah, so samosa actually got us out there,
Right.
and Manu and Gary and everybody they just loved it.
Wow.
And they really boosted to get this business going and get this creative idea, which was I think is really missing in the market, and now it has become our business and we are commercializing into that and आपको खाना चाहिए और
Definitely.
definitely watch out.
I'll come to Simran's table someday.
जी हाँ, definitely.
But you have been featured in different advertisements or other shows. Can you talk about them? कि कैसे ये journey start हुई कि you decided to get into this modeling biz and featuring in different commercials and in different TV shows?
Right. So ye just like when I was a child, when I was a girl who has Delhi into her, 10 साल इंडिया में रह चुकी हूँ तो हर रोज सुबह एक जो चित्रहार होता था या अपना संडे के साथ अपने मॉम डैड के साथ बैठ
You remember
के
them memories?
100% taking you back all the way then.
Right.
तो वो एक आई थिंक जो लोग सुन रहे हैं या देख रहे हैं उनके घर में इवन मेरे घर में एक ड्रीम होता है एक आशा होती है कि मैं एक दिन
TV
बनूंगी
पे
या तो उन लोगों की मूवियाँ देखना मेरे जो फेवरेट्स थे उस टाइम पे अमिताभ जी रेखा जी उन सबको देख के एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलती थी कि कुछ करना है कुछ ऐसा बनना है तो मेरे ड्रीम्स वहाँ से थोड़ा शुरू हो गए थे और काफ़ी टाइम तक चले वो फिर इंडिया छोड़ के फिर मुझे ऑस्ट्रेलिया आना पड़ा
Okay.
तो काफ़ी चीज़ें जो मैं सोचती हूँ कि सीख सकती थी अराउंड दैट वो थोड़ा सा बट ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आके मैंने अपने ड्रीम को पूरा किया है वो
Okay.
अगेन दैट वाज समथिंग जो मैं नहीं था ऑन माई बुक्स और एनीथिंग आई थिंक ऑस्ट्रेलिया आके आई वाज जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर इंडियन स्टडिंग हार्ड getting a job
Right.
making sure you're a good girl
Right.
getting married and all that stuff
It just happened.
it just happened तो बस थोड़ा सा आया कि नहीं let's do something if you're really passionate and dream highly of something manifestation जिसको कहते हैं
Wow.
आप वो manifest करते हैं तो it actually truly works and you have to work hard manifestation के साथ साथ you have to really put your hard work put your hours into it
Right.
ऐसे नहीं हो जाता है and all that so it has really taken a lot of time lot of dedication lot of discipline from my end to actually pursue my dreams and be where I am and it's not done but
Right.
it's happening.
मैं वही उसी point पे आ रहा था. It's you mentioned it's hard, but it's more tough when you are in Australia and you're thinking of Bollywood because it doesn't belong to Bollywood. वो outsider वाली feeling रह जाती है. वो wait for the opportunities and then knock for it. It must have been very tough.
It was very tough, especially we're talking about many years back when things were not so open and no people were not talking about it.
Right.
white skin was white skin, you know, brown skin के बारे में तो हम पूछते भी नहीं थे. Which never been in my mind about, you know, brown skin or anything like that. But hair.
Okay.
Hair. I think it was a lot to break the barriers.
Just in this industry? A bit anywhere.
I would say anywhere. Anywhere. I mean, you know, you are there when people see you and you're like, you're Indian, you are, you know, this.
You're treated in a certain
You're treated in a certain way, but I think maybe I was Australian, you know, who grew up here. I had that accent. I had that way of living that I actually didn't see that.
Correct.
You know, I always saw Australia with open arms
Right.
and gave everything.
Right.
And you know, whatever it gave, you kind of took it and embraced it. But there are a lot of things where, you know, some people get it easily and some people don't get it easily. And I wouldn't say, I think it's, you know, that's why I'm very grateful for everything that happens. You know, everybody has a different journey.
Right.
This has been my journey where, you know, I'm very proud to say that there are a lot of things like stories wise that didn't really happen that I would say I regret कि नहीं हुआ था ये जो भी मैं. But back in those days, it was not that much. You know, लोग नहीं थे ज़्यादा into commercials or into acting. Like इतना ऑस्ट्रेलिया में नहीं था कुछ साल पहले. You know what I mean?
आपको prove करना पड़ता था काफी.
Prove करना पड़ता था and you really didn't knew what to and how to start. And there are a lot of people who are like, मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? You know, and I get that a lot. कि कैसे? But now I think it's so much not easier, but it's so many resources that if you really want to do something, you can start. You know, if you want to be a model, if you want to be an actor, if you want to be a singer,
Right.
इतने सारे platforms हैं बहुत. So
और social media era में हम
social
live
media,
कर रहे
yes.
हैं. So it's
Social
easy
media,
now.
everybody knows that.
But yeah, there's some people, as you mentioned, कि वो push जरूर करते हैं और then they say that they are rotten apples in every basket. वो होता है, हर जगह होता है.
जी.
But coming at this stage, do you have a sense of feeling कि from now onwards I have a big way, कुछ और रास्ता या what is your next 5-year goal? Or
Gautam, like I say, you know, I take every day as it comes, of course, because I'm very big believer in, like I said, manifestation. I'm very
One day at a
grateful and always optimistic of, you know, things that are going to come your
Right.
way. कहते हैं ना वो इच्छा से चाहो या क्या वो है ना
शिद्दत से चाहो।
शिद्दत से चाहो तो
पूरी
कुछ भी
कायनात
पूरी
तुम्हें
कायनात,
मिलाने में जुट जाती है।
exactly, बिल्कुल
Big
वो-
शाहरुख खान fan?
I go, yeah, I'm a big Shah Rukh Khan fan. I love him, and I met him. I was like, oh my god.
Oh, you met him in IFL.
Yes, I did, and that was a great. You know, this is what it is. There's so many opportunities now that you can actually meet your stars, and I was just taken away from him. He's my inspiration.
Who are the other Bollywood celebrities that
Priyanka
sorry.
Chopra.
Okay, I was thinking कि शिल्पा शेट्टी और उर्मिला बोलोगे आप?
मुझे बोला जाता है, but yeah, नहीं, I mean I do love them both.
Yeah.
I think they're amazing artists. What an amazing
Right.
like you know the good stuff that I have they have going at this age and doing so well. But always gonna be Priyanka Chopra, Shah Rukh Khan when it comes to that.
Global celebrities.
Global celebrities.
Right. I thought like you can start another yoga sessions in Australia.
Maybe
Yeah.
that could be one
Other
of
than
my
pies.
things. Other than pies. Both, like it's going to happen and it's going to reach. Then I'll be like, next kya karo? So that
Right.
could be that one.
How do you manage these modeling, social events, movies featuring, and at the same time you managing your house? मतलब वो सबसे बड़ी बात होती है
Yes.
कि हाउसवाइफ आजकल तो होम मेकर बोलते हैं. How do you make your home better?
Wow. ये क्वेश्चन मुझसे बहुत पूछा जाता है because I'm in everything because I love everything. Like I think it's an act of balancing, really. Passion है
Do you
तो वो
wake up
passion
early,
है.
sleep late at night? How do you do that? Or do you have 27
Oh
hours in
my
your
God.
watch?
नहीं,
Or
I don't have
400
to
days on your calendars?
I prioritize it, right? I think it definitely starts from getting up early and going to bed on time and then start it all over again and again. I do a lot of mindful thinking in the morning. That's something that I've not started long time ago. Started like 6 months ago.
Mm.
And I think that it's not there yet, but it's starting a day just gratefully and mindfully and just having those disciplines and things in place and a lot of things that comes to you, in the diaries and stuff. Having a manager is really important too.
Right, I know.
So luckily I do have my manager who looks after all of that. So it helps me in that way,
Right.
reminders wise. But on a serious note, I think it's you know being a mother as well. That's my biggest priority.
Right.
So when you're actually a mom to kids, I think you get that discipline and everything. So I think I'm on that stage where I can balance that stuff because आप एक kitchen में खड़े होके 4 सब्जियां बना सकते हो.
Right. Nah.
So I feel I can multitask,
Multitasking.
and I think it's just become a part of me now
Mm.
that I can gracefully, take the opportunities and challenges and actually, because it's passion, right?
Right.
So when something is coming out of you with passion and all, it doesn't look like a chore.
Mm.
It becomes like very norm.
Mm.
So it's like driving a car and brushing your teeth. So it's not an act of anything anymore. It used to be like kya karoon, kaise karoon and all that stuff. But over time, it's just your passion.
Yeah,
and
once you
your-
fit into the shoe, आपको
Yeah.
normal.
And like a lot of ways gets clear for you as well.
Right.
So
Right.
it makes it a little
Simran,
easier.
I have seen bits and parts of your acting. I would definitely mention here you are terribly good in it.
Thank you.
But tell me something, to groom yourself as an actor, what do you do? Like, do you read? Do you watch movies? क्या process क्या है? क्योंकि not to be connected continuously with the industry, like when you're sitting in the Mumbai and sitting in Sydney is a different, बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है.
बिल्कुल.
तो अपने आप को उस कांस्टेंट उस प्रोसेस में रखने के लिए व्हाट आर द एक्सरसाइजेस दैट यू ऑब्जर्व यूजुअली
But I can't speak on behalf of what others actors do, but my always go to is keeping myself managing my time, which is very important. With that moment can come tomorrow. Okay, so what I've been manifesting and been wanting can come tomorrow. And my job is to keep myself ready for that opportunity.
Right.
So I continue with my classes, making sure I'm doing all the auditions.
So you're learning.
I'm learning all the time. Yes, I am. Yeah. So I have been a graduate from NIDA. I have done a lot of, short courses and, really worked with some great teachers that I've really guided, whether it's an Indian or Australian. And last year, actually, I started stage theater.
Wow.
So it was
Okay.
something that I was approached, and it was a beautiful character of Shikha, and it was called An Artful Evening. Hopefully, we will have that screened in Sydney
Wow.
again. And I was the lead in that. So theater was something जो मैंने कभी किया नहीं था. Like I said, you got to be prepared, right? And getting into the the character's mind and actually playing that. Those are the skills and the things that you need to keep your muscles in your brain kind of activated. Ki kya hai, kya karna hai, and just with the stage and everything. It was a very hard one to get into,
Wow.
but it was so worth it
Okay.
because live interaction with the audience really gives you a very
Yeah.
good
To get the reaction
To the
then
reaction.
and there.
and then and there. And I was lucky enough to get that, and I felt like okay, कुछ तो ठीक कर रही हूँ, कुछ तो ठीक कर रही हूँ.
Yeah.
But लेकिन आपको जो है, you just keep grooming, मेरे लिए gym is number one.
Right.
I start my day.
योगा
with
से
that.
नहीं होगा?
योगा से योगा जो है वो मैं करती नहीं हूँ religiously. पिलाटीज का शुरू किया है,
Okay.
लेकिन I usually love my gym sessions.
Right. Like
I love,
intense work.
yeah, anything like
Okay.
I love my good session of cycling. A spin class. I do a lot of strength training,
Right.
and I'm getting into Pilates now and all that. So you have to get your when you say to do.
रहना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
But it
Gives you the under say you get a lot of energy as well.
You mentioned about theater. They say मुझे ये बताएं कि they always mention कि theater always makes you loud as an actor. Expressions in there, and in the movie biz you have to be subtle.
जी
तो वो कोऑर्डिनेशन, वो डिफरेंस
जी
कहीं
बिल्कुल
कंफ्यूज तो नहीं कर देता कि
नहीं I'm a trained actor being on TV and film. Stage theater is something which I would never say I'm trained into it, but I've definitely मैंने अपनी जो experiences हैं TV and film से वो use करके stage किया है. Lot of things जो मैंने learn की थी उस journey पे was my projection, voice loud, modulations of that. जो बहुत टाइम लगा था, जिसलिए थिएटर जो हम कहते हैं थिएटर आर्टिस्ट के लिए मेरे को बहुत
Basic है।
ज़्यादा आई रिस्पेक्ट द मोर नाउ. इतना टाइम जाता है, इतना कुछ जाता है, देयर आर नो टेक्स, देयर इज नो कट ऑफ्स, एंड इट्स जस्ट यू इन दैट मोमेंट.
राइट
अगर मेरा कोक स्टार हैज़ फॉरगॉटन समथिंग, आई नीड टू कम अप विद दिस. हाँ जी बिल्कुल.
राइट
TV or films में तो take 1, take 2, take 3, so there was no takes. And it's really a big difference. So yes, definitely I've learned a lot, projection wise, modulation wise, and everything, and I'm going to use that as well. So our experience जो है आपको एक step देता है, to do that.
बिल्कुल. एंड दैट्स हाउ यू केम इनटू. ये मूवी के बारे में बात करें, हिंदी
जी
हिंदी.
जी
There was a famous movie English of Shri Devi ji.
जी exactly.
And similar title, Hindi Vindi. And you've been featured along with Neena Gupta, Guy Sebastian,
And Mahir
and
Ahuja.
Mahir Ahuja.
जी.
How come this project came into your lap?
Hard work.
Right.
Patience, lot of patience. It didn't happen overnight.
Right.
जितने-
ये तो हो गया अच्छा बनाने वाला क्वेश्चन. अब प्रैक्टिकली
नहीं
कैसे
बिल्कुल.
ये प्रोजेक्ट लैंडेड इनटू?
It didn't ऐसे ही land नहीं हुआ गौतम. It was again a lot of years that I have been working in the industry. A really great director Ali Syed जिन्होंने मूवी बनाई है, उन्होंने मुझे approach किया for my role which I'm playing in the movie as Divya.
Okay.
She's a lawyer.
Okay.
And I'm a lawyer to Guy Sebastian and Mahir, a family lawyer.
Okay.
So he had a script and उन्होंने मुझे बोला you're perfect for this role. Are you available? And I said I am available. After I read the script, I connected to Divya straight away. क्योंकि her character's strength and vulnerability is something that really drawn me to it. And I said, yes, I'll do it. I'm available. I mean, when you're getting a chance to work in Bollywood
Right, of course.
and with these amazing stars, I
Right.
mean, you can just
How was the
imagine.
experience with Neena ji?
Oh,
You
I don't
had
have
any schedule with her?
in the film.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I've seen her, on the sets, and she is just amazing.
Right.
मतलब जिसे कहते हैं ना master class as an actor that we go and do it.
Makhan.
I felt Gautam that I was actually getting a masterclass by Neena ji because she is superb
Right.
at what she does,
Right.
and I have seen her, as I was growing up, like I said, so many films and so many things that she has done, and seeing her in the action in that and learning कि कैसे, how do you actually deliver, what's your thoughts process and everything. It's I'm truly grateful
Right.
to be
And
there.
how was the experience with Guy Sebastian? Where the people, those who don't know, say everybody knows him.
Yeah.
The first Australian idol. He has some roots in Sri Lanka, in Tamil ancestors, and
correct,
उसके
yeah.
उनके mother भी इंडिया
जी.
में born हुए थे.
Ji.
So he has some Indian roots.
He does. And that it's my Bollywood debut as well as his Bollywood debut. So we really connected on that because I was like, oh my God, like I didn't knew.
Right.
That
Oh, he
he
also
had
hasn't
the-
featured in any movie.
No,
right?
he hasn't.
Yeah,
No, this
right.
is his Bollywood
First-
debut.
Yeah.